Let me show you how to copy and paste on ibispaintX. Alright guys, you go to the app, open ibispaintX. Then after that, you select the project you want to copy or the illustration. Then after that, you click on the selection area symbol on the top. There will see so many options. Choose copy. There you go, you've copied. Once you copy, you can paste this on a new project or on an existing project. Let me show you. Let me try to open a new project. There you go. I pasted what I copied. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'm out.